you're going to be showing you how to use your Locum Diary. So if you click Diary at the top, it should bring you to this page. And that shows you step by step how to use your Locum Diary. But for the purpose of this demo, we'll just show you. So if you click into the day that you're planning on working and you input your start date and your finish date, and under event, if you want to put down working, or if you're on annual leave or holiday, put that in too. And you'll need to put in the location, the shift time, and specify your hourly rate. That'll be important for the end of this video where I'll show you your income. And you click add event. So this is coming up as yellow because it's saved in draft. And you should be able to see here the shifts that you've applied to in March, the shifts that you've booked, and your income. And that's it.